were looking at the vent racing air intake for the RZR 170, and ours is unique in that we actually used the factory window, so there's no drilling or cutting of the bed required. This is actually going to be the newer version of the intake. The RZR 170 intake has been our best-selling product for the 170 and continues to do so. This one will utilize a little bit shorter of a filter so that you can run that stock seatbelt bar on the stock cage. Obviously this cage has an additional bar that comes with our aftermarket cage, but this one will work with the 100% stock setup as well. You can see the billet plaque anodized with all the 3D pocketing as well as the vent racing logo machined into it. And the intake actually goes all the way down. You can kind of see it off of the carburetor. This particular carburetor is our 26mm round slide Mikuni carb, but you can kind of see we extend it all the way out, so the intake comes complete with a 2-inch tube that installs directly onto your carburetor. So massive air intake. You'll see a huge difference in performance. Probably about a 10 to 15, maybe even a 20% gain in some instances. The intake kit comes complete with filter, pre-filter, billet plaque, 2-inch tube, and then all the mounting hardware. We've also taken and created a jet chart, so you can kind of, at the time of purchase, let us know your elevation, and we can do our best to send you the appropriate jets. For the most part, the jetting combinations have been actually pretty accurate. So there you have it, the Vent Racing RZR 170 intake.